In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Hola VPN to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the Hola VPN extension installed, pinned for quick access, and you'll know exactly how to use it to browse through a different location. Start in Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official marketplace where you can safely find and add extensions to your browser. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top and type Hola VPN. You're looking for the listing titled Hola VPN, your website unblocker, published by hola.org. Checking the exact name and publisher helps make sure you're choosing the correct extension and not a lookalike. When you found it, click the Add to Chrome button on the listing page. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up explaining that the extension will be added. Go ahead and click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will download the extension, and in a moment, you should see a small confirmation message letting you know that Hola VPN has been added. Next, it's helpful to make the extension easy to reach. Look at the top right of Chrome and click the extensions icon. It looks like a little puzzle piece. You'll see a list of your installed extensions. Find Hola VPN in the list and click the pin icon beside it. When it's pinned, the Hola VPN icon will appear next to the address bar so you can access it with a single click whenever you need it. Now let's use it. Open any website you'd like to visit, then click the Hola VPN icon in the toolbar. A small panel will appear with location options. Choose a country to route your connection through that location. After you select a country, the extension may refresh the page or adjust your connection in the background. Give it a moment to apply the change and then browse as usual. If a page doesn't update right away, a quick manual refresh can help. A couple of tips as you go: install only from the official Chrome Web Store and the verified publisher to protect your privacy and security. Keep in mind that changing your location can affect site behavior and speed, so pick a nearby country if performance matters. And remember, you can always unpin the icon later if you want a cleaner toolbar. That's it. You've opened the Chrome Web Store, searched for Hola VPN, selected the correct listing, added it to Chrome, confirmed the installation, pinned it for convenience, and used it to choose a country for browsing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly configured browsing experience.